Hello everyone, welcome back to my BL Touch channel. Today I have an exercise for you. It is inserting and deleting cells. After creating a worksheet, you might decide to add more data or delete unnecessary data. Also, you can insert or delete entire rows and columns. Sometimes you just need to work with a single cell or a range of cells. You can insert or delete single cell or range of cells, but be aware that doing so affects the location of other cells. Inserting cells into a worksheet. When you insert a cell in a column, you force the other cells in the same column to move down. Inserting a cell into a row shifts the other cells in the same row to the right. Get ready, everyone. Launch Microsoft Excel. Make sure you're ready with the format of this file. It's called patient visits. Click in cell G5 to make it the active cell. On the home tab, in the cells group, where is cell group? Here is called cell group. Click the top part of the insert button. Top part. All cells in column G beginning with G5 shift down one cell. Type 590 and press enter. Select cell O3, O9, O3, O9. Oh, sorry, N3, N9. On the home tab, in the cell group, click insert button, arrow, and then select insert cell. In the insert dialog box, ensure the shift cell right option is selected. Shift cell right selected as shown in this figure, and then click OK. Notice that the cell formerly in N3, N9 shift one cell to the right. The worksheet should look similar to this figure. In cell N3, you type November, press enter. Enter the number in cell 04 to 09, 4 to 09. Insert one by one, yeah. 480, enter. 502, enter. 446, enter. 577, enter. 302, enter. 302, enter. You press save the workbook to your Excel lesson folder. And next step, deleting cell from a worksheet. When you delete cells in a worksheet, you remove one or more cells, forcing other cell to move up or to the left. Please use the file again. You click cell P7 to make it active. O7, sorry, to make it active. On the home tab, in the cell group, here is cell group, click delete button, arrow, and then select delete cell. The delete dialog box, select Shift Select and then click OK. The content in cell O7 to the left and appear. Highlight the rank A8, P8, A8 up to P8 to 08, okay, to 08 to the one who have data existing. Right click the selection with each duplicate of the next row of data and select delete from the shortcut menu. Delete here. The dialog box appear and ensure Shift Cell Up is selected. Shift Cell Up is selected, and then click OK. To delete a rank of cell in column, highlight the rank D3, D8, and on the home tab, in the cell group, click delete button arrow and then select delete cell. Ensure that Shift Cell Left is selected and then click OK. Press Ctrl Home. The worksheet should look similar. This figure you press save the workbook and you can close your Excel. Thank you for today. We'll see you again in next exercise. Bye bye.